telling you, Rosie. I feel fine.
I'll be the judge of that. Now say ah. No fever. Let's take a listen to your insides. Your mind's as sharp as ever. Heart sounds normal. I don't hear any strange giggles. Wow. Now that is not normal. There, all nice and snug.
I'm sure the giggling will go away on its own. Besides, what's so bad about a belly laugh, right?
Finally, a real medical mystery to solve. This is so great. Oh no, how terrible you've been struck by this mysterious ailment. Let's see if there's anything in my medical book that matches your symptoms. Giggling stomach syndrome? No. Funny tummy trouble? Not in here either. I'm gonna have to ask you a few more questions, okay? Have you traveled to any exotic places lately?
Nope, I hardly leave the woods.
Have you eaten anything unusual?
Nope, just the usual things. What's so funny?
Sorry, Forest. I wasn't laughing at you. It's just that giggling. It's so contagious. But don't worry. I'll get to the bottom of this before everyone in Lalaloopsy land is infected with giggles and laughter.